In this presentation, we will enter an adjusting entry related to a personal expense recorded on the business books within our Excel worksheet. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info. Here we are in Excel. We're currently at 150% on the Zoom. What we're going to say now is that we thought we were done with this worksheet for the most part, and then we dug down a little bit further and noticed that within the meals and entertainment, there's some personal expenses that were recorded to meals and entertainment. So now we're going to have to go back and make an adjustment for that. So we're going to go, okay, we went through meals and entertainment. There's 11,000 in there. Is any of that personal or is it all business? We're going to determine that some of it was personal. Note that this distinction is different than us deducting part of it, say for taxes. Say only 50% of the meals and entertainment is deductible for taxes. That was our tax rule. And again, this is just an example rule, but that's our tax rule. For the 11,000, the book expense, however, we need to be able to just put the book deductions here, those that are related to the business, and take the personal out. So now we have this issue where we're saying that there's going to be some portion of this, we're going to say 2,300, that is personal after digging through this information and seeing what is in there. Once we adjust this, once we take out the 2,300, then we'll have to adjust the tax calculation as well. So how can we do this? We want to do it one step at a time so that we can first fix this entry and then go back and look at this entry and see what happened there. So our goal now is just to get this number correct on the book side, and then noting that we will have to go back to this number. So I'm going to highlight this. We're going to make it yellow, and we will then go back up to our worksheet. We're going to call this, this is an accounting adjusting entry. It will be equal to the last one, 16 plus 1. And we're going to make this number go down. So I'm going to copy that, right click and copy. We'll put that on the bottom. It's going to be a credit. There's only 2 accounts, so I will do the credits on the bottom and the debits on the top when it's an easy thing to do. And then we're going to go up top and go to the home tab, alignment, increase the indenting. And we're going to say that we found 2,000 negative 2300 within the GL that's actually personal. The other side of it then is going to go to draws. It would be kind of like the owner took money out and put it into their, and then paid for their own personal stuff. So they just, instead of doing that, they skipped the middle step and just paid for it out of the business checking account. So we're going to say, okay, that's kind of like a draw. So we're going to go up top. That's going to be the debit. It's going to take it out of the income statement. Right click and copy. We'll put that up top in I-26. Right click and paste 123. Then we'll say the debit's going to be negative of this number or that number, and flipping the sign, there is our journal entry. So we'll record this. Here's the draws. Here's draws up top. We want to be in cell O19 equals, and then go to that 2,300, increasing the draws account. Then we'll record the meals and entertainment down here. Here's meals and entertainment. We want to be in O31 equals. We'll record the decrease, 2,300, leaving us with 8,700. So we have 8,700 left. We're back in balance, and we've made that adjusting entry. So again, our goal here now, the problem is that this is too high. So we have to basically recognize that as we go. And whenever we make changes in the future, if they be reviews or changes by someone else, we want to be able to see those and then be able to easily go back and fix this. So this isn't just a hard-coded number, and I can't change this worksheet very easily. Yeah, I can change it easily, and that's the point of the worksheet. So now we're going to go back to this number and say, okay, we changed this, and now I got to go back and change that for tax purposes. That's what we'll do next time. For more accounting information and accounting courses, visit our website at accountinginstruction.info.